How to fix echo in OBS Studio. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open OBS Studio. In here, you'll find two options. As you can see, I have two audio options, and one of them is mic. Now, what you need to do is click on the volume option of non-mic audio and mute it. If it still does not fix your problem, click on File at the top left. Then click on Settings. After you're in the settings, simply click on Audio on the left side. And make sure global audio devices are disabled. Make sure all the global audio devices are disabled. After that, you're good to go. This is how to fix echo in OBS Studio. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.